it's Ronnie Douglas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today. The topic is the fastest and least painful way to make money online, and that's what we're going to talk about today. If you've never been to my channel before, please subscribe below and hit the bell notification. I will be sending you more videos like this on making money online. So, like I said, my name is Ronnie Douglas. I'm an internet entrepreneur. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and I am looking forward to walking you through this brief video, but it's very powerful, and I think you're going to get a lot of value out of it. So today I wanted to share with you the reason why affiliate marketing is truly the fastest and easiest way to gain wealth through the internet. And there isn't anything else like it that I know of. And believe me, I've tried a few things. You can make money online by marketing a product or a service or an educational course that you've created. However, that takes a massive amount of talent and work, and you need help with editing and writing and creating ads and marketing. And also that you might have to be dealing with things like chargebacks. So what I want to go over with you today is the fact that when you're an affiliate marketer, you don't have any of those problems. Affiliate marketing is where you are just driving traffic to an offer. And there are a lot of offers out there, but wouldn't you want to be involved with the very best ones, the ones where you can move forward quickly and painlessly with coaching and step-by-step instructions on how to get this done? I struggled with lots of different programs, coaching programs, and books, and webinars, and always something was missing. There was some information, but then you're left kind of confused and you don't know which way to turn. It's a jungle. So with the affiliate programs that I finally discovered and am working with, I'm just so relieved to not have that stress anymore. These programs pay you excellent commission rates, and you have opportunity for upselling your customers. That means that they might come in with a very simple offer, and then they're going to see the value in this program. They're going to want to know more. There'll be another course available for them, and each time they buy something through you for this affiliate program, you're going to get a commission. And the really important thing is that your contacts and your clients are yours forever. And I've been involved in products and affiliate marketing for other companies where they don't protect you. You get the first sale commission, but they'll only protect you for like 30 days, or not at all, just the first one. And then you've lost your customer. The programs that I am sponsoring here for you do not do that. You are protected, and in fact, there might be many products that they offer, and each time your contact makes a purchase, you get paid. So that's super important. I have a book here that I wanted to share with you. It's called Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson, and it's the underground playbook for creating mass movement of people who will pay for your advice. And this is something that if you want this book, it's actually free. I have a link down below where you can order this. All you have to do is pay for shipping and handling. And if you can read this, underline, make notes, keep it on your desk, this is a playbook that you're going to really love to go hand in hand with any program that you become involved with. I highly recommend this. I can't say enough about it. It has a foreword by Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So the affiliate marketing phenomenon is just starting, basically. I mean, it's been around, but it's going to keep growing exponentially due to the fact that more people around the globe want to purchase things online. They want products, they want services, they want education. And that's what we can provide. And they're willing to pay a lot of money for this. I mean, anywhere from, a $30 a month course or on up to a $12,000 mastermind. If you can get yourself positioned to help these people gain their knowledge and get their foothold in this type of business, you're going to be making a really good income. And our goal, I'm sure all of you have a goal to be financially free, to maybe not be super wealthy, but wouldn't that be nice? But it is possible. I know that you can do this, and especially because the offers that I have below from different affiliates, they have so much training. I mean, they have the swipe sheets, they have ways of getting you set up for automatic autoresponders to keep in touch with your customers. They teach you how to do videos like this one, do ads. You learn how to do Facebook ads, how to do Instagram, how to do Google, YouTube, you name it, it's all available. And that's what I think a lot of people are looking for. They're looking for a step-by-step, and I mean exactly step-by-step, very critical to having your hand held for you, telling you exactly where to click, what to do next, how to get your ads up and running. So basically the fastest and easiest way to make money, like I said, is affiliate marketing. And for you to get started, I highly recommend the very first program that is the link is below here. And if you want to get your Expert Secrets book, go to that link, and I will make sure that you're going to get this book very quickly. So you're going to click on get your information, and then you'll see me on the next video instructing you how to get this. So I know you probably think that, well, maybe it's not for me, maybe I can't do this, but I absolutely know that you can. And I'm here to tell you that I am a product of a video just like this, where I was feeling really helpless and lost, and I didn't know what to do next. But I knew I wanted to stay with this online marketing. So I did. I persevered, and I found what I was looking for. And I'm hoping that you will just take the time to look into the next videos that I have down below, the links, and take a look, because I think you're going to be pretty excited about what you see. And I have all the confidence in you. I know you can do this. All right? So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and start looking at those videos below. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.